Who was it?
Where'd Charlotte go? She's right there.
You gotta get all 3 cameras.
It was really close.
Well, just throw them both out.
Okay, Josh.
Turn the camera away now.
Guys, this one, prepare your mind. Okay, this one's gonna be a bit different. Huckle Buckle, Titanic.
Oh, Titanic is hard.
Isn't it like this? No, it's the other way.
I think someone
Yo!
I never watched the movie. I never watched the movie.
Hold it up! No! No! Are we out?
Or maybe it's called corn dog.
You having fun, Josh? Filming?
Get on the ground, get on the ground. Yeah. What did you? Dog and dog walk.
Did you say dog? Okay, wait.
What a dog do? Dog and dog.
I think this game was going too far.
Okay, everyone's still in, I think.
You just got no idea.
Huckle Buckle, back to back.
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
That's why it's called Huckle Buckle. Because you go Huckle Buckle, and then you go back to back, and you link arms, and then you have to go all the way down, and then you have to go all the way back up without falling.
I won't be able to.
Okay? But they don't know
Do we
what
have
it
to
is.
demonstrate?
Is that what we have to do?
If we
Yeah.
if we demonstrate something, do you guys think you can?
No.
No.
No. I'm okay. I don't think I could do that.
That's like the.
I'm gonna like break my nose. Looks like it's
Stop.
going
I would try to do that, but I can't. So.
Blocked by Anthony Davis.
Oh yeah. Josh, go.
Point your finger to ear.
Hey, what
Guys,
is
don't
this?
even run.
Oh, that was horrible. I will.
But no, some of them were actually like decent. I can't remember what they were. Yeah, that is yeah, they wanted to come back.
They won! Yeah!
What happened to them?
This guy's got brain damage.
Like last year with like this would like cut my mouth.
I turned around to leave.
Oh no, we're fine.
Where did I hit you?
No, it like slid down like that.
Oh, wait, where did I hit you though?
I don't know.
Because, bro, I turned around too late.
Oh, right here, you can see the smudge.
All I remember is turning around too late, and I just went.
Oh, now I need. No, we just don't rub the glass. We just be blind.
I don't need to see. You're lucky you don't even that line. That's the recording, bro.
Josh, stop!
What the fuck? This guy just started recording for the girl talk.
Yeah.
That's not consular activity.
No.
You're gonna get bandaged.